Brother, I'm a great one to be giving you advice. You're at least married. Me, I've gone that route 3 times. It still hasn't panned out. As for affairs, please don't ask. I'd just like to find a man. You know what I mean? Someone with guts. Somebody who really needs me. And at the same time has real guts, you know? Just a minute. Well, for God's sake.
Doll, look who's here. I brought your suitcase. I found it in the car.
I want to get an unlisted apartment. If you're here, come on in.
I was just passing through the neighborhood. I had my car washed at a place at 79th Street, and I figured as long as I'm here, why don't I... Oh, I'm sorry.
Shirley Rosenson, meet Mr. Wholesale. How do you do? Julie Franz, a personal friend.
Shirley, how are you? Honest, I'm sorry. If I had known you girls were having a hen party, I never would have come. I just thought it was a hot night. Maybe you want to throw something on. We'll drive up to Westchester and have a drink or something. Bring Shirley, why not?
Oh, no, please, I'm not. I'll go right back and watch Channel 4.
Baby, why don't you take that suitcase in the bedroom? I'll fix you a drink. One, because you've got to beat it. I'm going to wash my hair tonight.
At least I got it under the wire.
Listen. Look, if you want to go, I'll get right out. I don't want to stand in your way. It was nice enough for you to have me come over.
No, stay, okay? Here you go, Juju. Make it last.
Thanks, Doll.
It was nice of you to ask. But no matter how you slice it, 3's a crowd. My husband's out of town.
Call up the supers boy. What's his name, Vito? How about that boy? Is that a good-looking kid? Tear your heart out.
Oh, believe me. You think that's such a bad idea? If I was 10 years younger, if I was your age. Oh. Don't laugh. Oh, is that a good-looking boy?
So live it up, have a ball. After all, he's only a kid. Look at the favor you'd be doing him. Come to think of it, he could probably teach you a thing or two. How about that? Crazy. Yeah. Oh, you're asking for it. Just a minute. Well, good morning, doll.
Hi, I'm back. I brought you some solder.
Well, thank God. For a while there, I thought that solder would never get here.
Come on.
How about some breakfast? Cup of coffee?
No, thank you. I ate already.
Well, sit down.
Okay.
What's your hurry? You got a heavy date? You got to go out and hustle hubcaps?
In the morning? Oh, now you're kidding me. And you know something? You look great. You look really beautiful.
Well, gee, Dad. Thanks, darling. That's a lovely thing to say.
Oh.
Well, if you're not going to have any breakfast, I am. I'm fixing myself a Bloody Mary. Will you join me?
A Bloody Mary, what's that?
Oh, tomato juice, vodka, lemon juice, all that jazz.
Gee, I don't know.
Come on, leave that alone a while. The air will get conditioned all right. Besides, you have to help me get rid of this.
All right.
2 Marys. Bloody buddies. Come and get it, baby. Drink hearty. that the way you like it?
Tastes fine.
Oh, Peter, you funny boy.
What?
Now watch. Do it like this. It's vitamins. Go on, take a big one. Ball it up.
That's pretty good stuff.
Darling, before you get too comfortable, would you get those cigarettes on the table? Light one for me. Uh-uh. Now you can sit down. Easy, boy. You almost upset my drink.
I'm sorry, I'm just...
What's the trouble?
Nothing, it's just that, I don't drink much. I mean, this isn't the first time, you know.
Sure, I know. Look, put your head back. All the way back. Relax. Hold still. Take a sip. Don't be afraid. Okay?
Okay.
Are you all right?
Yeah, okay.
Poor baby. Poor baby. Close your eyes. Such a baby. Such a beautiful baby. That's my baby. You hold me. You hold me. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Listen to me.
Yes.
Just relax.